So now, am I audible?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we will go for the creating of purchasing group. So to that, you have to click on Logistic General. Now click on okay, sorry. You have to click on materials management only. Okay, not on Logistic General. So you have to click on materials management, click on purchasing, and here create purchasing groups. Just execute it. Okay, so you will come in this screen. Suppose if you want to do a new one directly in the creating or purchasing group, so you have to type the T code OME4. See, OME4. If you type OME4 T code, so it will take you. See, now the error is coming because I have already opened it. Okay, so I am just clicking no. Okay, so you have, this is the direct T code OME4 to create purchasing group. Okay, and the menu path is through materials management and then purchasing and the create purchasing group. Now you have to click on new entry and the purchasing group is of 3-digit code. So okay, so I'm typing BS2. If it's not there, then it will take. Then type the description. So purchasing group of of BSH2. If have some telephone number, you can maintain it. Fax number, telephone, okay, extension code, email ID, all these things you can maintain it. Okay, now press enter. Okay, so you have created BS2. If you want to create another, you can go for it. Okay, and now press enter and save it. So purchasing group, no need to, this is independent. Okay, so it is not required to do the assignment part for the purchasing group. Okay, so you have done the first part in the enterprise structure. Okay, without creating enterprise structure, you cannot move ahead. Okay, you cannot do anything, because after that, whatever you're going to teach, learn, for that you should require the plant, the company code, the purchase organization, each and everything is required. So you must create all these things very clearly. Okay, because if in something is missing, you will get an error. If everything is correctly maintained, correctly configured in the enterprise structure, okay, then and only you will not face any kind of error related to, like suppose if you have created a BSH2 plant and you are writing BSH4, so system will throw an error. Okay, so you should very careful, and you should remember each and everything. Since you cannot remember all those company codes, plant code and everything, so you have to type it in either notepad or in Excel sheet. Okay, give date, that you should also know that on this date I have created this one. Maintain an Excel sheet better, in a better way. Maintain an Excel sheet, and each and every day just type the give in heading the date. Okay, like suppose today you are doing practice, so you have created this something company code. Suppose today you created only company code. So you just know that, okay, the company code is created today only. Okay. And whenever you create, do the practice, you should do one thing only multiple times. Okay. Like you create company, 10 company you create, 10 plants you create, 10 purchase organization you create, or more than also, so that you will become more habitual, more there is a chance to remember all those things. Okay. If you only one plant, one company code, one purchase organization, so you will not get practice. Okay. So try to create as many as you can. The more you create, better is for you. Okay. So in apart from this, you have any in the enterprise structure or the purchasing group have any confusion, you can ask me, so that in the next class I will go for the next topic. I will go for the material master. Okay. And the material master configuration is same. Either you go for the ECC or the S4HANA, but there is a one difference in between both. In between the ECC and S4HANA is in ECC the material character is of only 18 digit, and in the S4HANA the material character or the total material length is 40 character. Okay, 40. So this is the difference in the material master. Okay, but the configuration wise it's same, because you have to also do the configuration in the material master. So that is same in both the cases. But there is one additional configuration you have to do in the S4HANA for the material master length. That I will teach you. So how to do that configuration for S4HANA also. Okay, so that you will also, you will get knowledge of both ECC and S4HANA. The only one extra configuration in S4HANA. The small configuration is there only. That's it. The remaining thing is common for ECC and the S4HANA both. Okay. So today is Thursday. Okay. So if you want to if you want some time, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can take. If you're not able to do the practice, these, because this is the big thing to do the complete configuration and assignment part, you should require some time. If you want to continue, I can continue tomorrow also. But if you want to do time, if you want to take some time for the practice, just let me know. So should I continue tomorrow also?
You
Or
can, sir.
okay, then no issue. I will continue.
Tomorrow at same time?
Yeah, same time only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, there is also direct T code for company to company code that I forgot. I have to check the direct T code of company to company code. Because there is, it is there in the recipe. Okay, so tomorrow also I will continue at same time only, and tomorrow I will teach you both the things. In ECC I will try to complete in S4HANA also. Okay, so that you will get complete material master in one day only. Okay, the complete configuration, how you can create your own material type. There are some standard material type which is already created in SAP. Okay, like raw material, semi-finished, finished, the returnable packaging, the transport, the services part. So these all are standard material types is already created in SAP, but and no, see that the same thing. There's no meaning to repeat in the class also the enterprise structure. You can ask me if you face any difficulty to create an enterprise structure while doing the enterprise structure. You can ask me the difficulty, but I will not repeat the same thing. Okay. You can ask me if you face any difficulty in doing the practice related to the enterprise structure. Okay. So I will teach you that how to create your own material type, because when you go for the client to implement SAP, the client requirement is to create a material type. There are different kinds of material type is available in the and according to the business scenario, you have to create different material type. So I will tell you how to create material type, how to create material group also, what is material group and all that, as I will tell you. Okay, how you can create the industry sector. So these all are the things I will you can create the the material group, material type, and the material type configuration, material group configuration. This will and also the material length. One is the also the internal. There is number range also is there in the system. Number range is called, there are two types of basically number ranges. One is internal and the second one is the external number range. Okay, so what is internal and external? So briefly I will tell you that in internal number range, what is this? Where in internal number range, the the code is always alphanumeric, like in the combination of suppose SP01, SP02, like this, alphanumeric. And the external number range is created by the system. Okay, and that is purely numeric, like in pure digit only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever you assigned. Okay, so that is only for the external number range. External number range will created by the system. Okay, and internal number range is created by you have to maintain the internal number range. So that you should understand. So tomorrow I will explain these all things, the material master and in ECC, and I will try to do in S4HANA also tomorrow only. Okay, so now I am closing for today and just do the
recording sir from जो पहला जो recording था सर आपने किया है सर जो पहला क्लास का?
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ आज का किया है.
डे 1 डे 2 का रिकॉर्डिंग सर थोड़ा चाहिए था क्योंकि मैंने किया है बट थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड कर रहा हूँ मैं एक एक्चुअली, उसको मैं देखता हूँ, वो हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. उस सॉफ्टवेयर से बहुत इजी अच्छा रिकॉर्डिंग होता है. अभी मैं देखता हूँ इसमें कैसा रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, क्या हुआ है.
क्योंकि जो अगर आपका रिकॉर्डिंग होगा तो मैं अगर एब्सेंट रहूंगा तो मैं आपका रिकॉर्डिंग देख के भी कर सकता हूं.
नहीं, मैंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर मैंने डाउनलोड किया है, उससे बहुत अच्छा होगा रिकॉर्डिंग. तो मैं पहले उसी से करता था, बट अभी वो सॉफ्टवेयर मैंने फिर बीच में हटा दिया था.